The white man's school don't teach us nothing. All right, daddy, set up one. You quick to send me right to their school, the same school that you telling me is bad. Oh man, the white man, we got the white man job, or he master over us. Damn, when we now have the chance to not be under him no more. We can choose to start our own business. Is it gonna be easy? Will we have to wean ourselves out over time? Yeah, but we can do it. We keep talking about they food. Okay, when you gonna grow some food, get some land, collaborate with some brothers so that we can eat our own food. But I believe the more that the youth see it, the more they can get with it.
Actions do speak louder than words.
Nation is men leading by example. Nation is community. Nation is children with role models. Nation is unity. Nation is you.
And finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord